Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So the Bushel Gold Visa debit card is a financial tool tailored for agricultural business operations, functioning as an extension of the Bushel business account. Unlike traditional business credit cards, which are built around borrowing and rewards, this card focuses on something simpler: fast, direct access to funds a business already owns. For agricultural operations, where timing is everything during planting season, equipment repairs, and fuel purchases, having immediate access to available funds can make daily operations run a lot smoother. Before we go further, one important clarification: Bushel itself is a financial technology company, not a licensed bank. That distinction matters because fintech platforms typically build the digital experience while relying on an established banking partner behind the scenes to actually handle regulated services. In this case, the banking infrastructure comes through the Bancorp Bank National Association, a member of the FDIC. The physical card is issued by the Bancorp Bank under an official license from Visa USA. So you get a specialized agricultural platform experience backed by traditional banking infrastructure underneath. The core function is simple. It gives account holders instant access to the balance already sitting in their Bushel business account, turning those digital funds into spending power the moment you need it. No waiting on transfers between accounts. Let's talk about the real advantages here. The biggest one is instant liquidity. In agriculture, a delayed payment can mean waiting on critical supplies, missing a repair window, or slowing down operations at the worst possible time. If a farm operation suddenly needs replacement equipment parts, extra fuel, or emergency supplies, this card lets the business spend directly from its available balance instead of shuffling money between accounts first. Because it runs on the Visa network, it's accepted at millions of locations worldwide, useful for everyday operational purchases like fueling vehicles, buying agricultural inputs, or picking up machinery parts. It also supports contactless payment and mobile wallets, so you can tap to pay with your phone handy for business owners constantly moving between fields, suppliers, and warehouses. Now, the limitations, and there are some real ones to understand before relying on this card. The biggest constraint is that this card is entirely dependent on the funds already in your Bushel account. It's a debit card, not a line of credit, so there's zero borrowing flexibility. If your account balance hits zero, this card won't help you bridge a cash flow gap the way a credit card would. Its overall usefulness is also tied to how deep you already are in the Bushel ecosystem. If your business runs most of its financial activity through the platform, this card is a natural, convenient extension. If you primarily bank elsewhere, you'll see a lot less value from it. And, unlike some competing agricultural or business cards, it's a straightforward transactional tool. There are no reward points, no cashback categories, no travel perks. If maximizing rewards matters to you, other commercial cards will serve that purpose better. So, who does this make sense for? If your business is already deeply integrated into the Bushel platform, this card is a frictionless upgrade. It keeps funds, account management, and spending all in one connected workflow, and removes the slow extra step of transferring money out to an external bank just to make a purchase. That saves real time for operators managing busy schedules. On the other hand, if your business doesn't currently use the Bushel account, or if you rely on the extended float and stronger fraud protections that come with traditional commercial credit cards, this debit tool may feel limited. It solves one specific problem: faster access to funds you already have, and isn't trying to replace a full commercial finance product. There are also a couple of operational risks worth flagging. Because the card offers instant mobile wallet access, a lost or compromised phone increases the potential for unauthorized transactions, so strong device security, account alerts, and proper access management really matter here. And because it draws entirely from existing deposits, you run the risk of a declined transaction at a critical moment if your balance isn't being tracked closely. This card rewards businesses that stay on top of their numbers. So here's the bottom line. The Bushel Gold Visa debit card is a streamlined tool built for speed and convenience, instantly turning your available balance into spending power across the global Visa network. It works best for agricultural businesses already using the Bushel platform who want to simplify everyday spending on fuel, parts, and supplies. It's not a financing solution, and it's not built for rewards chasing, but for the right business, with proper oversight of account balances and security, it can genuinely simplify day-to-day operations. That's everything you need to know about the Bushel Gold Visa debit card. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more.